अगर आप एज अ फ्रीलांस राइटर एक सक्सेसफुल करियर चाहती हैं, तो you need to perfect your freelance writing pitch. Learning to perfect the art of pitching is key to a successful freelance writing career. Here are some key points that will help you grab the editor's attention and master the art of pitching. So let's start. Find the right publisher. Find the appropriate publication for your work. फिर उस publication के work से खुद को अच्छे से familiarize कीजिए, so that you're certain that you've shown interest in the type of story that you want them to publish. Publication के editor को contact कीजिए, who will be interested in reading about the topic that you've written about. Most of the time, the websites of publications have a team page with the contact information of every team member. Grab the editor's attention. Big brand publications के editors के पास हर दिन काफी freelance pitches आती हैं. You need to stand out the minute your email hits their inbox. The first thing to do is to address them by their name. It creates a more personal connection with the editor. The content sphere is a fairly informal space. तो एक overly formal approach suggest करता है that you're not familiar with the content creation industry. Another way to get the editor's attention is by making your name known to them. Follow them on social media, websites, and blogs. Interact with their content by sharing, commenting, and liking their posts so that they notice your presence. They might have thousands of followers, subscribers, and commenters, but the names of their dedicated readers will always ring a bell. Having a descriptive subject line. Subject line is the first thing that the editor will read. If they're not tempted to click on it as a headline, it's not a good pitch subject line. An email with a subject line that tells the editor what to expect and gives an idea of the article's content so that they can decide whether it's worth opening signifies a good pitch. Keep it short, compelling, and accurate. In less than 50 words, it should sum up your piece. If your story is about gender roles in India and how it affects the Indian economy, the perky subject could be, what does Bill Gates washing dishes at home say about women in India's economy? On the contrary, a bad pitch subject is something like Friends, when your article is actually about 25 years of Friends, what Monica, Rachel and Phoebe taught us about motherhood and careers. अगर ये एक breaking news pitch है, तो make sure that your subject starts with urgent pitch, followed by the enticing headline. Keep it concise. Pitch का structure और tone सबसे important factor है. For an email pitch, try to keep it brief and limited to 2 to 3 paragraphs. Here is a sample structure to format your pitch. Headline. Write a creative, quirky headline that will appeal to the editor as well as your readers. This will most likely be changed by the editor, but make sure you start with a headline that will interest your editor. Article summary. Article की एक quick summary provide कीजिए. Include the key takeaways and something that will hit the editor's interest. The 5 W's. 500 words के अंदर address the 5 W's in classic format and lead to the gold point of the story. Talk about who, what, when, where, and why, and then state your stance on the topic. Add value to your story by elaborating on the how and the so what of the topic. This is the most important part of the pitch. Convince the editor that your story needs to be read and adds value to your reader's life. Relevance. Pitch का relevance explain कीजिए and mention why it will connect with the readers. Publication की interest के हिसाब से pitch को tailor कीजिए. Tell them why the story is timely, significant and interesting. Friendly personal introduction. Story pitch करने के बाद own your work और खुद को introduce कीजिए. Be sure to address who you are, what you do, your interest topics to write on, and a brief on your work experience. Conclude कीजिए by mentioning what connects you to the story you have pitched. Introduction genuine and to the point रखने से you start building trust with the editor. Show that you can endorse your piece. Every kind of content needs to be promoted. Today, it's all about the page views, shares, and social proof. In this case, a freelance writer who has a big audience to share their work with is worth the attention. If you have an engaged following, present it simply by including links to your social media and the email signature. Be considerate of the editor's schedule. ये भी mention कीजिए that you're willing to work on the story as per the editor's feedback. This will deepen their trust in you and indicate your accountability for the content you pitch. Other things to keep in mind. अब तक mention किए points के अलावा ये कुछ tips हैं जो आप ध्यान में रखिए while sending a pitch. Pitch to a human being. Try not to pitch to generic submission email addresses mentioned by the publication. Find an exact editor who will read your pitch. Pitch original content. Know what else has been written on the subject and explain why your angle is fresh and noteworthy. Never attach a full draft of the story. Wait for the editor's approval of the pitch. Revisit the article and make changes according to the editor's feedback before sending the actual story. Know that editors will look for you on the internet. Make sure they can find your personal websites or portfolio easily on Google. Do not write for free. Know what the publication pays its writers and discuss the payment with the editor before you submit the final story. Ask for a contract every time you write for a publication and read it before you sign, especially the sections on intellectual property rights and payment. Writing is still key to getting published, but these tips will help you get your story noticed in front of the people who have the power to publish it. The few extra steps are worth the effort. So that's it for this video, guys. We hope this answered some of your questions about how to pitch as a freelance writer. We'll be back with another video very soon. Until next time, raise your power. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to Cool Kanya. And let us know what videos you want us to make next in the comment section. And don't forget to sign up to the Cool Kanya Women Only Career Community to ask and answer questions, grow your professional network and build a career you love. The link to sign up is in the description below.